to focus on the European digital twin ocean, delivering essential services from ocean observations. Alain Arnaud, Digital Ocean Director, to do a demonstration. Thank you for welcoming Alain. Alain. Who is with Fabrice, if I am not mistaken.
Okay, thank you. So I'm going to try to give you this digital brace between all those numbers and nice satellites and things like that. So direct from the DTO that is just here behind, we are going to present you a bit what we are doing with this digital component in order to put together all your contributions here and make that more easily available by the community and develop the application. So first of all, you can see on the screen, so behind me, you have this capabilities that we provide with digital twin of the ocean to put together all the information coming first from the satellites that you see here flying around, so the satellites that were mentioned before, the Sentinel satellites made by ESA and the ones that are, let's say for us, managed by EUMETSAT on the ocean component. So you have that here flying around. So you see that normally it's a bit already complicated. You have two agencies here that are able to provide users data, so we are putting together all those satellite data here, not just those one. We have also other missions like the SWOT satellite from CNES. We have also, besides that, the in-situ, you have Fabrice, okay, yeah. The in-situ component, okay, so we have the different profilers, sailing drones, sea mammals also. You know that there are some mammals that are also carrying some sensors. So you have all that is also available on the DTO. And this is coming from the different network you have that been mentioned before, so from M1Net, from Goose, from everything. So once you have all that available, what is interesting is to do something with those data. So we are helping the access to those data, but what we are doing is also to offer the possibility to process them directly on the platform. And this is a co-construction process. We try to not to reinvent everything here. We try also to support some regional initiative to get access to this data, to process them and to share that afterward to the community. So I'm going to show you an example on Madeira. I don't know if, yeah, see if you can go there. So it's a project that was in a national collaboration project financed by Copernicus. And you can see here that what you are normally is a standard global model for ocean currents. And with the collaboration of the Institute in Madeira, we are able to increase the resolution of that. So you see, sometimes when you are zooming, you see the size of the quadrants here. And around Madeira, thanks to that, we increase deeply the resolution. So it's a kind of interactive process. We have the possibility to give them the low resolution models, to give them the access to the satellite data, to give them the access to the in-situ data, and they are able on the platform to run this new high resolution process and to share again those results with the community. So this is a way to make more easily accessible the data, to process them and to share them with the community. And once you have those kind of data available on the platform, what is interesting also to see is what they are used for. And I will try to show you an example that is quite nice, is an example that is today from a research project that is onboarded on the Digital Twin Ocean platform. That is a project on which we try to estimate, so for the time being it's the mock-up, but the results are very nice already. You estimate some prevision on stockfish. So, sorry, I'm speaking very fast and the captain has difficulties to follow, so sorry, Fabrice. So we are going to start the demonstration on that. It's to have this possibility to see, so you get from the platform information regarding the ocean temperature, information regarding the nutrients you have in the ocean. So we have some models of different class of fishes that are running on the platform, so taking those different layers of information. And once you have those that, you can, on the same platform, cross the information with some human activity information like fisheries, the stock, the quantity of fishes that are removed from the ocean, and we can do some projection here. So I love this. I don't know if you can see that, it's very in the bottom, but this quadrant, you can move in time thanks to the models that are developed here, and you have some projection on the quantity of fish available. I think they have also some projections that maybe are not so accurate about the cost of the fish in time. So this is very nice, and really what we can do, and what, of course, this is a demo today, but what we'll be able to do in the future with this digital component that is offered by the digital twins of the ocean. So we are an enabler here, helping in accessing to the data that were explained before in the in-situ data, in the satellite data, putting all that in a big digital ecosystem. So as it was mentioned before, the HPC component, in our case, also provided in sovereign system in Europe. We are not using infrastructure coming out of Europe. So we put all that together in order to help people to develop their application on the platform. And afterward, in this one-stop shop, they have the possibility to make available the results, like here, for instance, to share the results with the rest of the new community. So, and now a bit of teasing for what will happen tomorrow. We'll have also, what is important now, once you have this large amount of data and information, is to have an easy way to access that. And it's where you will see in the next day where artificial intelligence is arriving really today very, very quickly, because you have seen maybe it's not so easy to manipulate those kind of tools today, to have the possibility to play with different, what do you call that, dashboards and things like that. So what is important now is to easy access for the wider community, and we are working a lot on new interfaces using AI, like chatbot, like the one you're using every day, in order to have the possibility to ask directly to the system your question and to see how the system can answer you based on science, based on this accurate information we have described before, in order to give you information on our ocean and on the OceanEye initiative. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alain.